Any idea about the universe, the planets and
Universe.
stars?
Um, just like there are too many planets and a lot of Milky Ways, like our Milky, just like our Milky Ways, there is Earth, Sun, Jupiter, Mars. So there are too many Milky Ways in the universe that are approximately there are too much. Even scientists did not calculated it, and a black hole that calculated by a what that sharp no I know the sentiment. Okay, even the black hole, even everybody says that, even scientists says that what whenever thing or anything, if they come close to that black hole, it goes in it. So I know about that. And other thing is like a planet in our Milky Ways, like Earth, Mars. There is um, simple way to say the all system. What was it? It was my educated mother just show us Neptune like this. So from the first letter we can identify the um, synchronization of the planets. Like in our Milky Way, in our galaxy, the Jupiter is the most biggest planet. And there is our like each and every planet has their what is it, gravitational force. Even Earth and the sun has the most amount of gravitational force, as it attract the whole other planets. And also the earth gravitational force, like what it is for, it kept moon beside him. And because of this earth gravitational force, the whenever scientists do a like rock getting rocket in a space, with the help of the earth gravitational force they stored by in the universe, and they study about our earth or the moon. But it if it go um, away from the boundary of the earth gravitational force, it get attracted towards the another planet gravitational force. So uh, it was also what that's it, a bad card, or it will be wrong for us even. So everybody has to maintain the speed, the distance. Another thing in the universe I know, like
Which are the agencies involved to explore the universe?
agencies
Hmm?
like NASA.
Yeah.
I know the NASA. Also, uh, India has an ISRO.
Hmm.
Like another one, I can.
What are they doing actually? And
Uh,
recent projects.
they're studying about the universe. What if there are even some people study about the even aliens, that if in our Milky Ways there is living beings, so there are too many Milky Ways, right? So in that Milky Ways there will be a Earth and another living thing. So some people are searching about that. Some people are searching like is there is a water on the moon, like in
Hmm.
which state it, I don't know. But uh, some people says that there is in water in the form of ice.
Hmm.
And another thing is like studying about that, if earth will, if because of the pollution, if earth destroy, so can we go to the another planet to stay like Mars? So they are studying that which planet will be good to stay, um, the
So,
people.
Payal, if we go to Mars to live there, so what will happen? What kind of changes do you see?
A lot changes, like everybody has to wear the oxygen mask, even cool. because of oxygen
Spacesuit.
and uh,
Spacesuit.
space suit, sorry, space suit, suit, and there will be a lot change in even everybody's day-to-day life things. Everybody has to start from the zero. Like now here we developed to the we developed it that their countries each and every has a different name like India or America, their cultures, everything. So when we go there, there will be all different. Everybody has to start with the new. So uh, it will be difficult for everyone, and now it's not determined that much yet. But I heard that on the Mars of Saturn, there is like what a rain of acidic. I don't know the
Acidic
proper
rain.
thing.
Acidic rain.
Acidic rain.
It is on
So I
Saturn.
heard it was on Saturn. I heard that. I don't know in on what,
So
but it's not determined.
you have a good knowledge of planets and universe.
I heard it some.
Good, good. A girl like you having such kind of knowledge is really good. What about BTS? The news is coming, and the news, I think, new songs are coming. It was shown on the YouTube.
No, it was not. Actually, it was an album.
Hmm.
Like they they start from the 2013. At that age, they were like teenagers, like
Hmm.
18, 17, 15. The smallest one is of 15 years. So they debuted there, and now they completed it 10 years, and this is the like in their like uh, what is like just like pop, there is K-pop and there are a lot of groups, but in this K-pop history they are the one and single group who stayed 10 years with each other, because in South Korea, like Korea, there is a rule that each and every man in their country has to go to the military service at the age of their 22 or 21, has to go. So but they did not go, and another idols go. So it was their album comes, and in that album there are three series, and is in that three series their whole past is in their
Okay,
bad, like it.
understood. Very good. Yeah. Good start.
Thank you.